You're not bad with money, you just don't have a system. And I'm about to give you one in next 70 seconds. Paycheck hits, rent, food, random Amazon orders, gone. By day 20, you're eating rice and panic checking your bank app. Sound familiar? Here's the fix rich people don't tell you because it's stupidly simple. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. One formula, every paycheck. No spreadsheets, no guilt trips. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, groceries, bills, insurance, the stuff that keeps your lights on and your life running. Non-negotiable. 30% goes to wants. Eating out, Netflix, that hoodie you don't need but really want. Yes, this is in the budget. Guilt-free spending on purpose. And 20%, that's your future. Savings, debt payoff, investments. This is the part most people skip, and it's the part that actually builds wealth. Make 50,000 rupees a month, that's 25,000 for needs, 15,000 for wants, and 10,000 that goes straight to your future self. 3 numbers, 1 rule. Start your next paycheck like this, and thank yourself in a year